Munini wa Musumbe Rigathi Gachagua niwaikiithisya Mangavana kana silikali nene nikwithiwa iimanenga ilovia ila mavathiawa nikana kutwaiisya uthukumi wa silikali syoo kwa vindani ila yailite inena kavindani kala kuvinga umbano wa mithenya 3 wa silikali sya mitiuko musini wa Eldoret County ya Uasin Gishu. Gachagua ingi niwathingilila vata wa kwithiwa na ngwatanio kati wa silikali ithi na ila nene nikana mwene nthi avikie kukwata matunda ma silikali ithi ila kwayu sina miaka 10 kuma siambia. Lina Musangi ena mauvoa.
Munini wa Musumbe nene uthinikia kila kietete vame kaunti sionza miongo ina na muanza kutania miaka 10 ya serikali sya mitiuko wenda devolution na vala wavinga mkutano uuni waweta kana nthini wa mwaka umwe wa Musumbe William Ruto. Garama ya meka lileta ina dalili ya kuthea undumwe na kukwata mbao serikali sya mitiuko.
In 1 year, the economy has shown signs of recovery to the extent that for the first time in 7 years, all county governments were given their money before the closure of the financial year on June 30th. All members of parliament and the respective constituency development funds in the 290 constituencies were given all the allocation before the closure of the financial year on June 30th. So the people who had schemed to destroy the economy so that the next leader can fail are very envious. And that is why they are bitter, and that is why they are trying to portray our friends as bad people.
Niwakwata mbao ndeto ili na nene ni Musumbe William Ruto kana serikali iita iyove itakavyukuli kuwikithia kana niyo kitana na ulusani.
The president talked about corruption in the county governments and the national government. There is no corruption for the national government and the county governments. Corruption is corruption in its very form. And this government will deal with the corruption in the national government, in the county governments, and in the country. We know that some people are very uncomfortable because previously governors have been twisted to give money obtained fraudulently and corruptly to fund political activities. With this new war on corruption in the county governments, it is no longer going to be possible to coerce governors from your coalition to give you money for politics. That is a problem. That is a problem. So we understand where they are coming from. We feel you.
Otamana waweta kana serikali ni yumbanite kuthukumana na kaunti sionza miongo ina na muanza va Kenya kwa uyananu.
We are ready to work with the county governments across the political landscape. We don't care in what political formation you are in. And we have told our people, we have told the administration, we have told the police to keep off politics because they are not good at it. It is foolish to use administrators and police in your politics. You will lose. That is how Uhuru and Raila lost, by using chiefs and assistant chiefs and police in politics. We cannot repeat the same mistake. So chiefs, assistant chiefs, county commissioners, OCS, OSPD, they have no business in politics. Their work is to give services to the people of Kenya.
Rigathi ni wangela ukule mawisa ma serikali na mono county commissioners mathukumememu amba na Mangavana 10 ukanyo muviko wa commissioners ala meiko meya wiyata makavikia na ukuno transfers.
I have repeatedly cautioned the county commissioners and the security commanders that they must respect elected leaders and they must find a way to work with elected leaders. And I have told them repeatedly, in the unlikely and unfortunate events that they are unable to work together, governors are not transferable because they belong to those counties. And if they cannot work together, one must give way. For a fair devolution because it is the anchor of the Kenya Kwanza transformation agenda. We are keeping the promise. In our first year in office, the national government owes no county a penny. On the other hand, President William Ruto elevated devolution and placed it at the office of the Deputy President And in this regard, devolution enjoys a direct ear to the presidency.
Kuripoti ya ulingo wa Mauvo ni Lina Mosangi.